Hello and welcome to another True Utility product briefing. This is Steven and I am demonstrating the Smart Knife from True Utility. The Smart Knife is a pocket knife that knows it's a multi-tool by including 6 functions beyond its super sharp knife. The Smart Knife comes packed in a reusable weatherproof hard case. To open the package, cut or remove the security seal on the back. Lift up on the black plastic latch and pull away from the top of the case. The lid will now lift and hinge to one side, allowing the product to slide out. The Smart Knife is made out of 420 stainless steel and has an anodized aluminum plate on the handle. The main feature is, of course, the stainless steel blade, which measures at just over 2 inches and features a cutout for one-handed opening. To prevent unwanted closing, the Smart Knife has a liner lock mechanism to keep the blade extended. To close the blade, press the lock arm to the side and carefully rotate the blade to close it. The anodized aluminum plate on the handle has helpful markings to call out the Smart Knife's features, as well as provide a 3.5 centimeter ruler. On the bottom of the knife, there is a built-in Carabiner clip to easily attach and remove the Smart Knife from a belt clip, bag, or even a keyring. Next to the Carabiner is a guided notch with a razor cutter, great for quickly cutting cord. In the center of the Smart Knife's handle, there is a cutout with 5 wrench sizes ranging from 12 to 4 millimeters. Towards the top of the Smart Knife is a large flathead screwdriver which can also be used to help open the blade. Last but not least, on the side opposite of the screwdriver is a bottle opener to help enjoy your bottled beverage of choice. And that's the lowdown on the Smart Knife, the pocket knife that knows it's a multi-tool, by True Utility. This is Steven, and I'll see you at the next briefing. Cheers!